going to talk through a lap if I can. Not too good at doing that and driving, but we're going to see. We'll talk through a lap of Lime Rock Park. Alright, ideally you want to get a good run off this downhill corner. Track out just to the edge of the curbing. Down the long, not very long, down the front straight. Little time to rest your hands, but not much. You go down 2 gears to turn 1 and 2. You're going to treat it like one corner. You're going to apex early. You're going to run a little wide. You're going to apex again in turn 2. And we're going to go mid-track here. And then kind of turn in gently and then late apex the corner so you can have a better run and compromise it for turn 4 here. And of course you get a nice run to the Notre Dame straight, or the newly named Paul Newman straight. And the MX-5 here, just a little lift to the throttle. Get the car to turn. Use the compression at the tier to let the car turn the rest of the way. West Bend's pretty straight. A little brush of the brake. Roll it in. Back to power early to get the car to plant. And the downhill is nice and easy. In this car, at least in the sim, a little lift. I shift to 5th gear just for comfort. In the sim, at least. I shift normally here. And back to the straight. It's a quick lap. Again, down 2 gears. Apex early. Run it out a little bit. On this newer pavement, you can run it out wide. Back when I was racing, you wanted to stay mid-track there because of the old concrete. Turn in, get a late apex. I'm going to kind of miss it. I just overslow the car to hit it. You can take this flat down. Upshift to 4th, hold 4th the rest of the lap until you get to the downhill. A little lift here. Turn the car in, let the compression do the rest of the work. And brush the brakes, roll the speed, back to maintenance throttle, then back to full throttle on the exit here. Normally do this corner like this. A little lift, turn in, let the compression turn the car at the bottom. Track it out, hit the upshift. Catching up to lap cars now.